Learn with Rose! Welcome back to my channel. I am Rose Chabra, and welcome to Learn with Rose. This is day 5 of our series, Speak English with Rose. In this series, we are learning how to speak English step by step, from basic to advanced, in a simple and practical way. In today's lesson, we are going to learn I want and I need. These two structures are very useful in daily life because you can use them to express your needs and what is important for you. Let's begin. I want is used when you desire something. It is not necessary, but you would like to have it. Look at these examples. I want a glass of water. I want a new phone. I want some food. I want a holiday. I want to sleep. Now notice something important. After I want, you can use a thing or an action. For example, I want a car. I want a book. Or I want to eat. I want to go. I want to learn English. Now let's understand I need. I need is stronger than I want. It is used when something is important or necessary. Look at these examples. I need water. I need help. I need time. I need money. I need rest. Now with actions. I need to study. I need to go now. I need to sleep. I need to practice English. Now let's compare both. I want a car. I need a car. The first one is a desire. The second one is a necessity. I want to sleep. I need to sleep. Again, the second sentence is stronger. Now, let's also look at negative sentences. I do not want becomes I don't want. Examples. I don't want coffee. I don't want to go. I don't want this. Now for I need. We usually say I do not need or I don't need. Examples. I don't need help. I don't need money right now. I don't need this. Now, let's do a speaking practice. Repeat after me clearly. I want water. I want food. I want to learn English. I want to improve. I want to travel. Now with I need. I need help. I need time. I need to study. I need to practice. I need to focus. Now negative sentences. I don't want this. I don't want to go. I don't want coffee. I don't need this. I don't need help. I don't need money. Now it is your turn. Make 5 sentences using I want. Then make 5 sentences using I need. Also try to make negative sentences. Speak them out loud. This is very important for your confidence. This is day 5, and you are improving step by step. In the next lesson, we are going to do speaking practice using everything we have learned so far. Make sure you come back for day 6, speaking practice using basic sentences. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.